Hello and welcome to Vlasak with the home with the Electros dishwasher, Samsung fridge freezer, Electros dishwasher, Samsung fridge freezer, and the Heiler wine fridge. But who is this? Do you know? Yes, guys. This is my replacement of my old Bosch Loggix 6. So now I am home with the brand new AEG Lavamat washing machine. $700 Protex Lavamat 7 kg washer. Yes, it's a little bit bigger. This is of course because it is 7 kilo. By now it's the first wash. I had a test rinse before I get to this wash. And now this is a final first washing in my AEG. I'm washing mixed colors, non-sportswear, on Cottons 40 with 1600 spin. Yes, this will spin a little bit faster than my old Bosch Loggix 6. And yes, this is finally, it hasn't the jet system, it hasn't the dryer, but it has the hydromatic tumbles like Miele. Fast, and slow. Fast and slow. Bosch Loggix 6 has been my very good friend for 9 years. I hope this will be my good friend at least for the same time what the Bosch has been. Okay, and the Cottons 40 is towards 40, but the procents shorten the time to 2 hours. 2 hours 20 minutes. So what, 20 minutes. If you overload it, the machine randomly, the max light will be starting to flashing after the process pause, and then you can remove the excess clothes, or you can leave it, but there's no guarantee of the best results of the wash. Naturally, I have to use two area liquid tabs here because this is a lot bigger machine. Can hear that these has the eco silence drive motor, so there's not the screaming like it was at the old Bosch Loggix 6, because the Bosch Loggix 6 didn't have the inverter motor. And the first test runs was if anything is as failure, and if the washing machine running properly. So this is the test wash. And we have special bedding cycle actually. I don't know what the max temperature of bedding cycle is. Yeah, it doesn't have as many programs as on as on my old Bosch Loggix 6, but I'm really happy with these because we have the pre-wash keep as the option, and we'll see if it reaches the size. Actually, the drum is much bigger. And I have the instruction book here. The wash machine is about even higher above the top. I believe that everything is alright, and that we should take a long life from my washer. I'll see when I will wash my blankets how this machine will manage with the foam. Or either when I will wash the fuller load. It's even possible that it should have the suds lock. I don't want to do time saver because it was quite standy close here, so I didn't want to do time save. Okay, I think, or I believe, as I said, already said, have that the full cycles will come early. because the schools are closed. Schools are closed because of coronavirus, or due to coronavirus. I don't know what to use, like perhaps just okay, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you at some other video or at some full cycle. I'll see if I'll do a full cycle. Maybe I can do the full cycle tomorrow or in the next weeks. Okay.